What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Hi Eric. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Hi Eric. What is one right or freedom from First Amendment?
Very good.
I'm a little closer because the volume is
Okay. You ready?
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Okay. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? This question asks for one response. There are 5 possible responses from USCIS, or immigration. Speech, religion, assembly, press, petition the government, petition the government. In your naturalization interview, also known as the Citizenship Test, you only need to provide one response to this question. It is important to listen for the numbers in these questions. What is one right or freedom? How many do we need for the question? 1. This question asks for 1, but I think it is a good idea to understand all the possible answers. Listen closely to the immigration officer so you know how many answers they expect to hear.
Good.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Speech. 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 You can express your opinion. And remember, speech has one syllable. Speech. Speech. Religion. Religion. You can practice any religion or not practice a religion. Religion. You can practice any religion or not practice a religion. Assembly. 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 You can get together in public to protest and speak your opinion. Press or news. Press. Press. Press is the news. Petition the government or ask for help from your government representatives, like senators and United States representatives. Petition the government. Petition the government. What is petition the government? Petition the government. This means to ask a government official for help. For example, you can call or write to your state senator. You can call or write to your US congressperson. They can assist with questions related to your immigration. This is Senator Chuck Schumer's website. On his website, there is a place to make a request or email Chuck Schumer. There's a place to ask for help for New Yorkers. You can ask for help with a federal agency like immigration, help with Medicare, passports, visa, Social Security, taxes, military assistance. So there are many things you could ask of your government representatives. Let's practice the question in parts. What is one right or freedom? What is one right or freedom?
What is one right or freedom?
Or. It's difficult to pronounce that sound. It helps if you make this face, like ooh. Or. What is one right or freedom? From the First Amendment.
From the First Amendment.
From the First Amendment. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Okay, good. Now it's your turn to practice.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Speech. Speech.
Speech.
Speech. Speech.
Speech. Speech. Speech.
Speech.
Speak.
Very good.
What is one right of freedom from the First Amendment?
Religion.
Religion. Religion.
Religion.
Religion.
Religion.
Religion.
Religion.
That's right.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Assembly. Assembly.
Assembly. Assembly.
Assembly.
Assembly.
Assembly.
Assembly.
Thank you.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Press. Press.
Press.
Press.
Press.
Press.
Press.
Press.
Great job.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Petition the government. Petition the government.
Petition the government. Petition the government.
Petition the government.
Petition the government.
Petition the government. Petition the government.
Petition the government.
Petition the government.
Thanks so much for watching and practicing with us. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Stay safe, and we will continue to practice tomorrow.